Hello dear fans. How to find the coordinates of the intersection of lines. To consider two intersecting lines, it is enough to consider them in a plane, because two intersecting lines lie in the same plane. Knowing the equations of these straight lines, you can find the coordinate of their intersection point. Necessary equations of straight lines. Instructions. Step 1. In Cartesian coordinates, the general equation of a straight line looks like this: ax plus by plus c equals 0. Let two straight lines intersect. The equation of the first line is ax plus by plus c equals 0. The second line is dx plus ey plus f equals 0. All coefficients, a, b, c, d, e, f, must be specified. To find the point of intersection of these lines, you need to solve the system of these two linear equations. Step 2. Step 2. To solve the first equation, it is convenient to multiply by e, and the second by b. As a result, the equations will look like aex plus b plus c equals 0, dbx plus eba plus fb equals 0. After subtracting the second equation from the first, you get ae db, x equals fbce. Hence, x equals fbce /aedb. By analogy, the first equation of the original system can be multiplied by d, the second by a, then again subtract the second from the first. As a result, y equals cdfa /aedb. The obtained values of x and y will be the coordinates of the point of intersection of the lines. Step 3. Equations of straight lines can also be written in terms of the slope k equal to the tangent of the slope of the straight line. In this case, the equation of the straight line has the form y equals kx plus b. Now let the equation of the first line be y equals k1 asterisk x plus b1, and the second line y equals k2 asterisk x plus b2. Step 4. If we equate the right-hand sides of these two equations, we get k1 asterisk x plus b1 equals k2 asterisk x plus b2. From this it is easy to obtain that x equals b1 b2 /k2 k1. After substituting this x value into any of the equations, you get y equals k2 asterisk b1 k1 asterisk b2 /k2 k1. The x and y values will specify the coordinates of the intersection of the lines. If two lines are parallel or coincide, then they have no common points or have infinitely many common points, respectively. In these cases, k1 equals k2, the denominators for the coordinates of the intersection points will vanish, therefore, the system will not have a classical solution. The system can have only one classical solution, which is natural, since two lines that do not coincide and are not parallel to each other can have only one intersection point. Thanks for watching.